Have you ever wanted a true robotic movement for your product shots but didn't have the budget and that all expensive gear to make them happen? There is a great solution to your desire. You can connect the Moza Aircross 2 and the Slypod E through the Moza Master app and get that true slide, pan, tilt, roll movement. Let's juice up your boring products videos. Connect the Slypod to the Moza Aircross 2. I'm using a pan tilt head connected to an 1/4 screw mount on the Moza Aircross 2. Position your Slypod and Moza Aircross 2 for your desired move. Let's go first for one of my favorite horizontal pan slide moves for tracking an object. Power up both the Moza Aircross 2 and the Moza Slypod. Enter the Moza Master app and connect the Moza Aircross 2, and after that the Slypod. Enter the Slypod and go to the creative video. On the upper part you have the creative control icon. Press plus and link your Moza Aircross 2. You will have various modes to choose. We are doing video robotic motion, so the best way is to choose the segmentation on the Slypod, and on the Moza Aircross 2 the track recording. Stretch up your Slypod to the ending point for the segmentation slide. I'm going to the maximum for this one. I like to get 60 seconds of recorded slide. And press Setup completed. Enter the Moza Aircross 2 and select left to right pan. For a better synchronized robotic movement, always select the same amount of time that you set on the Slypod. So let's do it 60 seconds. Press Setup completed. Now you are ready to press the start button. Both the Moza Aircross 2 and the Slypod will return to the starting position and do the robotic movement. To juice up even more your product shots, a slide up, tilt down could make a great product presentation. Rather than left to right, select an up or down movement in the Moza Master track recording panel. You will get some awesome looking shots. There you have it. In under 5 minutes you can link up the Moza Aircross 2 and the Slypod and achieve some great robotic movements. Until the next time, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.